You guys want to sit down? You guys go ahead and fuck coffee and eat. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Oh! Did you hear that decibel?
Wow. People might have heard it. What do we got here?
All right. I don't want to say we made the buy because there's a story behind a lot of wheeze.
There's a lot of wheeze.
The shop finally got the compressor.
We got a new compressor.
We got a new compressor.
Everybody heard our truck stories last time.
Which was really good. Did you see the video? Because somebody was exponentially upset. So now we have what looks like an Ingersoll Rand, 60-gallon, single stage, bad boy, mamma jamma, but it's 5 horsepower, kicking it out real good. So now we're about to offload it and drop it down. I already cut here because it was a little bit too long. So we can make sure we fit in the space we were at. We're going now, so we can go right down the middle. That's it, brother. So let's offload.
You want to say hi again, Batman? That was amazing, bro. I'm pretty sure everybody heard you there.
Please.
Just one time. For the viewers. Just a nice little hi.
Comment into where we're going next.
What are we doing, Batman? What's our next step?
You just
You just did.
Okay.
say we're offloading the
We're offloading the tank,
air compressor.
air compressor.
Wow.
Oh, you
He's getting better on the voice.
God, hey, that whole thing I said back at the start. If you talk a little more, you might be able to come with us. Okay, on our night. Let's roll.
All right, then put this down in case Batman drops it. We have it recorded.
Oh, that would be good.
That'd be good for the.
It would be bad, but it would be good because we would get so many views. The strongest of us is going to grab the top when it comes down.
Oh God.
Okay? Then everybody else is going to unload it this way, okay?
All right.
So let's go.
This is going up in the top. Got it? You got it, Batman?
Yeah. Here we go. Go.
Nothing too bad, huh? Although it'd be it seems like this pallet sucks, dude. Let me sweep your pathway, brother.
It's not oiled like the other one was, that's why.
Oh, it's not silky?
No, it's okay.
Here, Batman. And don't drop my camera, Batman. Let me clean your pathway, brother. You have a new. What's that one game in the Olympics?
Oh, where they do this.
That one where there is a.
I don't know the name of it's called. Comment below if you guys know what it's called.
Oh my God, Batman's like, here, give me a camera, let me record it, and he sits on the floor.
Oh, I was gonna help Rob. Looks like you got
Come on. Easy there, buds.
Alright.
Wow. It seems like it's slimmer from the other one.
Alright, go back. There you go.
But, easy there. Whoa, brother. Don't drop this shit on me, bro. We're gonna need to go more towards the wall. Are we clear?
Oh! Is that what you've been preparing for?
Yep. All this shop stuff.
Look perfect.
Too bad that one's not gonna reach, huh?
That was good.
I mean, but the.
Yeah, we're gonna have to just take this video off. Go. Good thing we're gonna go with the other one smaller.
Can I explain to people where you.
I'm sorry, what?
Oh, where you F-bombed? Hey.
Who F-bomb?
So, just explain to people what we're gonna do now, because it's not the old trusty blue anymore. It's the little dirty brown.
Whew. We're gonna take an adapter from this to go to this, which is a 1/2-inch pipe.
Would you say this is BBC?
Yep.
Oh,
Absolutely.
that's the problem right there. She's too girthy.
That's what she said.
Oh.
So that'll be our next trip
Since Batman's over here exploring, okay, why don't you give us a tour of the new door right there, brother? You want to explain to the people what that's for? Besides holding your
Hey,
bumper?
you see that Betty White pose again? Oh, wow.
Oh, Jesus, bro.
Pretty nice.
You want to explain to the people what that's for?
So to hold my bumper.
You want to tell people what that's really for? You don't know what that's for, but that's for us to access the filters from the back. So the spray booth right there. So easy access, right?
Yeah, all day.
Where you going? Oh, jeez. All that girthy action right there. So, does the Batman... That's my hammer? So why is it in your truck? Why is my hammer in your truck? Brother? Ooh! And look at this. So the previous video you guys saw, this razor is in action. So the razor is being showed some love lately on the razor. So you want to show the people what we did on your car off camera? No? I didn't hear you.
Sure.
You're going to give us a tour on this, brother. So you guys speak up. Just give us a nice little yell.
Put the dashboard that Randy took off.
Wow. Okay, that's a little on the dusty side, but it's in. She's due. Speaking of things that we did behind camera, did you get that terminal? Did you charge your battery? Hey.
Sorry, no. B. I never took it.
Well. Anyways, behind camera, behind the scenes, we installed this dash and the center console. And then from the compression test incident, we have this mess to clean. So, but we're not gonna clean that yet. Cause today's task, we're building a powder coating rack. Are you excited? You wanna tell people you're on a diet now?
I'm not diet.
He went mountain biking yesterday,
Yeah,
busted his ass, bought by Subway today for lunch with water.
and 12 days.
Wow.
12 days, no beer.
Wow, 12 days, no blackouts, huh? Wow. It's amazing. Huh? Let's get this started. Look at this guy over here, probably with something in his hand already.
I like the candy shop.
But I tell you,
Is cup coming handy, huh?
hey,
Say it. Don't lose my cup. Don't even crack my cup because it's for my nature.
speaking of cups, you want to tell people what that's doing over there for the last few weeks? Right there?
I forgot that was there.
That looks like my cup.
It is.
Those look like my ice cubes.
They, sure.
What are you drinking?
Iced tea unsweet.
It's against the diet laws.
Oh.
The only difference now is that this is tan and the other one was blue. And the other one leaked and this one doesn't.
Yeah. You know, bro, honestly, you can do whatever you want, brother. I'm busy.
Oh. Alright, let's go. Since we can do whatever we want, let's go. I don't know what we're gonna do. Well, today we are gonna build a powder coating rack. So we went out to Harvey and we bought a chop saw. With that chop saw, we bought a disc. With that disc, we're gonna cut square tubing that's over there. With that square tubing, we're gonna weld with that welder right there. Once it's welded, we can powder and transfer. What are we gonna powder coat first? Batman's nalgas?
I'd like to, but he probably won't let us.
He probably won't. I said we powder coat these wheels before they get raffled.
Comment below what color you want them.
How much are the raffle tickets, Batman?
4-0.
$40? $40, brother. Gets you 2 entries. What are you eating there?
Subway.
Subway? Eat fresh?
You don't even sit down, Nate? You just start stuffing your mouth?
Yeah, dude, just like that.
Wow.
Well, since everybody's getting a lunch break, I'm gonna go have my lunch break. So, I'll go heat up my chicken. And I'll be back. Sorry, Batman, I took a little long in lunch break, but I got caught watching some Messiah, brother. Have you seen the Messiah? Have you seen Messiah? You haven't seen Messiah on Netflix? Do you watch Netflix? No? Oh, God. Man, dude, that thing is loud.
It is loud. What I need to do is cut the oil. Just cut the
Yeah.
Bro.
Why didn't you save him, Batman? Why didn't you save him? Dude, can we get a repeat on that? I'm gonna see if I can repeat it, dude. That was funny. Well, he wanted to remove the pellet. He almost kissed it too. So, as you guys saw, Mr. Rob almost kissed the pellet. Our new compressor is good. Seems good, but it's a little bit too loud. So, I don't know. What do you think about the loudness?
How did it sound inside?
I don't know. I haven't replayed the video, see how loud it's on video. You want to tell people what's going on with you, Batman, right now?
Nothing.
Tell them. Tell them what's going on back home. Tell them how you're in trouble because it's already sunset and you're not home yet.
You're gonna get burned.
Don't worry about the burners. Talk to the people while you're in trouble, mains.
I'm not in trouble.
With the wife. Kids, this is why when you get married, you gotta select your wife very carefully because then things like this happen. Can't hang out with your friends. Can't be at the work spot. Can't do nothing. Look at the blue chonies. Batman, I see you very nervous, so I say you hop on the truck, tell us bye, tell the people bye.
She already went back home.
No, brother, I don't want you in trouble.
It's already late. It's too late. You said
I
you
don't-
needed my help and you need help.
See, around here, Batman, we don't like these negative vibes you bring. It's all positives, and you're bringing all these negatives. So I want you to go home before your lovely wife beats your ass. We don't want that to happen. The people still want to continue seeing you on these videos. Most importantly, they want to see that car run so it leaves here. And we got more. Sorry. We got more workspace. So, Batman. Comment down below. Should Batman go home now because his wife is pissed? Or should he stick around? Dun dun dun.
It's difficult for you because that's where you're at now. That's your life. You're always in the doghouse.
So what you're saying is that Batman's name's gonna switch from Batman to Cornflake? No, from Batman to Ratman to Cornflake to Ice Age?
Ice Age. Why Ice Age?
You're always on thin ice?
Oh, that makes sense, yeah.
Just let the people know what you want to be called from this point forward.
Hey, wait a minute.
Oscar!
Hold on.
Jesus!
We're supposed to be 5x6, right?
What are you doing, brother?
Yeah, my bad.
Oh, God. This is why you measure twice and weld once. And Rob's thing, he measures none and just full sends weld. God, bro. You know what he's not going to be too happy about? When it comes down to January 2021 and we're on our way to Japan for the Tokyo Auto Salon and Mr. Bats over here wants to jump aboard and guess what we're going to say? Hey, Batman, remember that day that you were on thin ice and you wanted to leave? And what are you going to say? What are you going to say? What are you going to do?
Nothing.
Okay. So you're going to bounce? Later. Tell the people bye.
No, because if I leave and come back tomorrow, it's going to be
No, you can leave, bro. We don't need your help. Right now, we're going to put this camera down. We're going to throw some tunes on. We're going to do what we do. And then we're going to put the camera back up. And we're going to do what we do. You know,
We said by 5, right?
you know, people ask why you're not in videos that often, but
You see that?
yeah, we all saw that. But this is why. You want to tell them why? It's because you're on thin ice back home.
Is that the guy that wants the sweater?
You're on tonight, just say you are.
I don't know who that guy is, brother.
Because we know you are.
But did he message you? Let me tell you. Let me see. Batman's leaving us, guys. He's gone. You're out for sure this time? Alright, there's. Tell everybody bye. Give him a big bye.
Goodbye, everybody.
Well, everybody should have heard you. So just like that, he's gone, man. He's gone, man. So when he starts questioning, hey, man, why is my check $250 short today? I don't know, Batman. Maybe you should take a recap back to Monday, January 13th. At what time is it, Rob?
We're at 5:27.
At 5:27 in the PM. When you showed up at 4:30 and you're leaving at 5:27, I'll be like, that's why, Mr. Bats. That's why you're taking Oh yeah, the people don't know, but we just bought a chop saw today.
New tool.
New tool from Harvey. It's the Harvey, but it's the Home Depot wheel, so we're good. You see what I'm telling you about stealing stuff? Look at this guy, putting a charger in his pocket. I could have sworn that was mine, or yours. Mr. Bats? People want to know where they can buy a sweater. Can they get at you?
Yeah.
Okay, but not that one.
It's already sold.
All right, later. Well, just like that, it's we went from 3 Stooges to 2 Stooges. So that's what we bought today. Let's see it in action. Are we about to see it in action, bro? What's the deal? Huh? Like today or another day? What would you rate this by from today, from a 1 to 10?
That's definitely a major helper for us. I'm going to put that at a 10.
Oh, damn, it's pretty up there in the scale today.
Pretty up there because I mean, we really needed it.
Oh.
Absolutely needed it.
I mean, our welds might be a little janky, but hey.
Welds are going to be good on now.
Oh, Them cuts are gonna be even straighter though. Are you sagging right now? Sagging is fagging. Ooh, Jesus, brother.
Oh.
Oh, that twerk. What? You need something from the basement?
No.
I'm going down.
Okay.
We came about an inch short from here, lengthwise on the top one, but then the top one is about an inch wider.
And it's just because of how you're oriented. How
And-
I orientated.
Yeah, I was about
The
to
inside
say.
outside. So
God, dude. God! Wow. Now it's gonna be a little weird.
no one's gonna notice it.
Well, now we told the peeps.
Well, we actually haven't even filmed yet. Or published.
Okay, so how about this? Since we need a rack anyways for in here to spray, we just leave one of these for there and one for the oven.
So you want to do this one? We're gonna hang up.
No, we're not gonna hang none. I was thinking of having 2 rolling ones.
2 rolling ones. Oh man.
No?
You want to buy more tubing?
No,
You don't want to buy tubing tomorrow. You want to buy tubing.
No, I don't. But I don't know. We'll discuss it off camera. How about that?
I say we hang one
Why would we hang one?
because that's what we need for ground in there, anyways.
Yeah, but we can't hang one. This is
Yeah, we can.
no. We have switched to plan B. So the one that was a little bit longer and shorter is right there. So what we're gonna use that one for is we're gonna hang it up there, and that's what we're gonna use to mount, hang, and shoot the powder. So we're gonna have to redo another one of these for the rolling rack. I don't know what he's measuring, but he's measuring.
So if we do this is 5 inches. So if we do a 7-inch piece, then with this, yeah, we just get these in 7s.
I don't know if they have them. Remember last time we went, he gave us those?
We just gotta talk to him. But we also went to that other place. We can go right here.
I didn't see any hooks like that, but
We'll ask him.
we'll ask him.
You're like, yo, cuz.
Yo, cut. Where the hook? The 7-inch hook cut. I know you got the hook up. Get it? The hook up. let me get a round of applause. Thank you. But anyways, I guess that's it for today, right?
That's it for today.
I'm beat. I'm hungry.
I think I got an amber on my phone.
You got an Amber Alert?
Amber on my phone.
What do you mean an Amber?
Come here. Good thing I have a screen protector, but feel it.
What is that?
I think an amber from the landed on here.
Wow. That's pretty harsh.
So good thing I have a screen protector.
I thought you got an Amber Alert, bro. Come on! Let's show the compressor one more time, brother. There she is, the new compressor. So once that rack's done, I think we're gonna shoot our first powder work sometime this week.
I think so too, brother.
Hopefully we finish these racks by tomorrow, and we figure out a situation right down the spray booth what we're gonna end up doing, and
Hopefully we finish these racks on racks on racks.
And Batman gives us that gallon, and then we'll be ready to roll. That's a nice cup.
Oh, thank you for saying, Carl.
Yeah, thanks. Take your deal. Take your deal. Anyways, that's a wrap. That's a wrap. You wanna wrap it? You know.
I need this one here, so let's do the barbed wire on the inside. We out. See ya.